In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save an hour a day using Claude and something called Granola. So you probably already know what Claude is, but if you are looking to actually get it, then you can just hop onto claude.ai/download. You can simply download it. I use Mac, but there's also other versions that you can download on Windows, etc. as well. The next thing, you might not have come across Granola. So Granola describes itself as the AI notepad for people in back-to-back meetings. I personally think that it is probably one of the best AI note takers that I've come across. It doesn't pop up into those meetings that you're trying to have with your potential customers. It's a bit more of a kind of a non-intrusive note taker, which in my opinion, I think is a lot better. And the summaries that it provides are so much better than some of the others. And it not only transcribes everything from those calls, you can also quickly just chuck in your notes, and then it can actually just enhance those notes and make them much better. It can also actually record things like WhatsApp calls and things like that as well. So it's a really, really useful tool. We also actually use it for internal meetings. So we just chuck our laptop up whenever we're doing these in-person meetings. We'll then stick on Granola. It'll start recording everything, transcribe the entire meeting, and then it can then provide simple summaries for everyone's individual tasks that they need to then take away. So it's incredibly powerful. I'll leave a link to Granola in the comments below, and you'll also be able to get your first month free. Right, now that you've downloaded Claude and hopefully Granola, now you need to start to link these tools up together. So hop over to Customize, move down to Connect Your Apps. This will then pop up this little directory where you can then search for whatever tools you want. So you can hop into this, type in Granola, and it'll pop up here. I've already connected it, so I'm not going to disconnect it now because I've already done all that work, but all you have to do is simply click connect. It'll then automatically connect up to your Granola as well, and then you can then get cracking with it. So once you've connected up Granola, you also then want to go back into connecting your apps. You can then connect up Gmail, and you can also connect up Google Calendar or whatever email you use. So I use the Gmail suite. We also then use, for our CRM system, we use Attio. So we can link all of these up together. So I've got Claude connect up to Granola, my Gmail account, my calendar, and then also my CRM system. And with these 4 connections, this is where the time saving comes into play. So once I've actually got all of these connected up, I can then just simply ask Claude to go back to my previous call, gather all that information, upload it onto the CRM system, write a follow-up email for me, and then also schedule a task, all from one simple prompt. And let's talk through it. So all I need to say is, can you draft a follow-up email from my last call recording on Granola? Please also schedule, I cannot type, schedule a follow-up for 1 week's time. Also update the CRM system. Okay. And this is all I need to do. I'm not going to be using it 4.8 for this. I'm going to use Sonnet 4.6. 4.8 will just cost way too much in terms of token usage. So just use a slightly different model. Now that's actually working away, I can then actually focus on other things because I know it's going to be drafting up this email in the same language that I wanted it to. If you are looking at how to actually get your emails drafted up in your particular language, then have a look at one of my other videos. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's all about how to actually set up Claude Cowork correctly. So now that it's actually had a look through everything, it's going to be drafting up that email, loading the calendar, and then also the CRM tools all simultaneously, whilst I don't actually have to do any of the laborious work. So it's such a good time saver, and I can then go on to doing what I need to do, which is speak to more clients. With Cowork as well, one thing to note is it'll always actually come back and ask me whether or not I want to proceed with it or what it's looking to do. And all I simply have to do is allow. Claude wants to create a calendar invite for me, allow for this task. So as you can see, Rob's already in the CRM system, but it's going to log the notes on it, allow for this task again, and then it's going to update those notes. Email drafted, calendar invite, CRM updated, done. And that's it. So as you can see here, it's all drafted up already. If I hop into my calendar as well, I've already got the follow-up notes all sorted here. One of the really important things to know is that it won't actually send the email itself. It'll always just draft it up and you actually have to physically send it. So for me, this is easily saving me up to an hour a day. And across an entire week, that's a minimum of 5 hours that's been saved, which is allowing me to do much more important things like speaking to potential customers. And that's it. So if you're interested in learning more about how you can implement AI into your daily workflows, then please do hit subscribe and I'll see you at the next one.